Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac and we're going to dive into a sauce for fish. A delicious parsley lemon white sauce for fish. Fry up a few fish of your choice, remove them from the pan, put them in a warm place, and make the sauce. Remove any excess oil and deglaze the pan with 1/4 cup or 63 milliliters of white wine. I'm using a Chardonnay. Use a spoon or a spatula to scrape the sides and bottom of the pan to release those bits and pieces of fish up into the liquid. Reduce the wine down over medium heat until there's roughly about 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters left. The next step is to add 3/4 cup or 187 milliliters of heavy cream. Some countries call it whipping cream or double cream. Drop in the zest of half of a lemon. You'll also add 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters of freshly squeezed lemon juice. If you'd like to make this in the comfort of your own kitchen, this recipe happens to be in the Sauce and Gravy channel cookbook, Sauces Made Simply. I'll put links in the description as well as on the Sauce and Gravy channel website if you'd like to round up a copy. Reduce this down over medium heat until the sauce becomes thick. Once you see well-defined trails in the sauce and the sauce coats the back of a spoon, you're ready to move on. Season the sauce with a pinch of pepper and a dash of salt. Give it all a stir, and you can take it off heat. Hang in there for the final ingredient, 3 tablespoons of finely chopped parsley. Give it all a 360 to well incorporate it into the sauce, and that's pretty much it. Taste the sauce to see if you need to adjust the seasoning. The only thing left to do, drizzle it on that fish and enjoy. That, everybody, is how you make a parsley lemon sauce for fish. It's a quick and easy pan sauce that you can make in a matter of minutes. Thank you for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button and share it with your friends. Do you like sauces and gravies? Well then what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and make sure to smash the all notifications bell to receive the latest and greatest sauce making tips and techniques. Thanks again for watching. Remember, keep whisking, y'all.